here is how we can install Google Chrome on the iPhone. Let me guide you through the whole thing. If you are new here, subscribe for more iPhone tutorials. At first, you have to make sure that you have an active Apple account. You can find out about it when you go to the settings, and at the top you can see your profile picture as well as your name. If it says right there and it gives you the prompt to sign in, then you have to tap on it and either sign in with your Apple account or set up a brand new one. Without it, we will not be able to install the Google Chrome. But once you do have it and everything is set up, you can leave the settings, find the App Store, which is indicated by the blue icon with an A on it. You can as well look it up if you cannot find it right away. But in there, you can see we have all of the app suggestions and so on. But in at the bottom right, we have the search button as well. So you can click on it like this. Literally just type in Chrome into the search and you will have the ability to click on Get, which is right next to it, which will then allow you to scan your face, double press the side button to authenticate it, or type in your password for the Apple account, which I talked about at the beginning. So you will have to follow the steps, but once you go through it, you will have the ability to see the installed Google Chrome, which you can open as a separate app, sign in with your Google account, and even use it instead of the built-in Safari web browser. So that is how it does work. If you have some more specific questions about this, let me know below. I'll probably make an updated video just about that, but for now, that's going to be about it, and I'll see you later.